head. You know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. Are saying move on, I know I don't belong in this fantasy world I put you and me in. I cover up both my ears, cause right now baby it's working. It's working. I never shake you off. You're stickier than the super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the new Huda Beauty foundation, 4-Filter Luminous foundation right here. I've actually received 3 shades and I actually show you guys the shades that I used. So yeah, this one is called Dolce de Leche. So this is the one that I used on my face, and I also have Balcava. This is what it looks like, and I also have Big Net, or I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah. I have a previous version with me, and I actually bought this immediately it was launched last year or last 2 years I believe. So yeah, the packaging is actually the same in my opinion. Look at that. This is the old version and this is the new one. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the foundation with you guys. In terms of the shade, I like the fact that she actually focused on the skin. Guys, she focused on the skin. As you guys can tell, when I applied this foundation earlier, the flawless look it gave was just out of this world. Like seriously, it has this kind of full coverage and luminous to it, and at the same time it's not cakey at all. It melted into my skin and I was like, wow, I really liked it. And the way it covers the blemishes and imperfection on my skin is just flawless. Like seriously, I am a fan. I like the fact that you don't need a lot because a little goes a long way. So it depends on you and the look you're going for. But if you actually have a pump, there is chances that you can get away with that, depending on, you know, what you really have on your face. But if you're the type that have like acne, scars and all of that, then you can still do with 2 to 3 pumps. But if you have if you don't really have much to cover, you can do between 1 pump and a half. So it depends on what you really want to cover. And I really like the fact that the packaging is really lightweight. It looks so posh in the sense that you'd have thought it was actually a bottle, but it's not. It's actually plastic. I really like about the packaging. And it also comes with a pump, which is a bonus for me. Pump to it, yeah, which is a bonus. And yeah, I really like that. It saves your product from being all over the place. So yeah, I like the packaging. I really like the packaging, and it's very lightweight. So compared to this one, what do I really think? To be honest with you guys, if you go for these, you get the same coverage as this. But the only difference so far is that this gives me a matte coverage while this gives me a luminous coverage. So yeah, basically, and this one has fragrance. This one has fragrance to it, and this does not have fragrance to it. This is the new one, by the way. Yeah, this is the new one and this is the old one. So it depends on you, it depends on what you're going for. And also the finish of both is just flawless, to be honest with you. And I got these two bottles without the name or whatever. It's very difficult for me to choose, but the only thing that I would notice is that these actually have fragrance. But apart from that, they are both similar. But if you want that luminous coverage, go for this. Gives a flawless, perfect finish. And if you want that perfect full coverage and sing to it, then go for this one. So it depends on you. So far so good. If you're going for a matte finish, I'll go for this. But if you're going for luminous finish, I'll go for this. So whatever rocks your boat. But as far as I can tell, both foundations are really amazing. But I love the, you know, technology or the formula to this one really well, because I don't know how you can cover someone's blemishes and still look flawless. Like, I can't explain it. I really like it. As you guys can tell, it's been 5 hours now. I went out, I've eaten, it's snowing outside, and yeah, it's also waterproof, but I wouldn't be able to, you know, show you guys how that works. But I've been in the snow, but not for long, just like 2 minutes to the corner shop and came back. And yeah, I've been going up and down doing also, just try to, you know, wear myself out and see how this foundation, how long this foundation is going to last on my skin. But so far so good. I've not seen any difference so far. I actually cooked as well, so I'm loving it because it doesn't look like anything happened at all. But you can tell from my mother, I actually just reapplied my lipstick because I've eaten, I've done all sorts, I've cooked and all of that, but I still look flawless, which is exactly what I really like about this. Another thing that I really like about this foundation is the fact that it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. If you want to build the coverage up, then add a little bit more and, you know, build it up. You can build the coverage up, but if you want that luminous, flawless, you know, skin, you can just go for one layer and you will be good to go. I have a lot of imperfection on my face, but I actually went for one layer and I was good to go. Another thing that I really like about it is the fact that it comes in 39 shades, guys. 39 shades. Big net 3335B. It has a cool tone to it, so these two has a warm tone to it. So if that's the look you're going for and you're my skin color or skin shade, then you can only choose between these two. So yeah, I like warm undertone, so I normally go for yellow. So you really need to go out there and try this foundation for you to be able to understand what I really mean when I say the coverage is really flawless. The thing I like about the foundation is the fact that because the little goes a long way, it's going to take you ages to finish this. I also like the fact that it's sweat proof, because throughout my time of cooking, everything was still there intact, and all the steams going on and everything didn't have any effect on the foundation whatsoever. So definitely during the summertime, it's going to be really useful to have this for a youthful glow, you know, that makeup no makeup look. And also if you want to have that bow pow full coverage look, then you can go on and build the coverage up. So that I really like about this foundation. In terms of the wear test, so far so good. I've only worn the foundation for 5 hours, and that 5 hours has been a hectic one for me because I was cooking, went to corner shop, do house chores and all of that. So for me, so far so good. You know, longevity of the foundation is really good for me because I didn't notice any, you know, breakthrough or anything. And also all the things like contour, setting powder and everything all blend in together, which I really like about the foundation. You can barely tell where each of them starts or what, because they all blend in seamlessly on my skin. It's like it gives you that flawless base, and if you can get the right match shade for yourself like I did, trust me, you wouldn't need to go for contour, highlight, all of those stuff. You just have that flawless, you know, natural, no makeup look, in my opinion, really. If you're the type that does not like fragrance in your foundation, then this is definitely a must. It has no smell to it at all. And the first one that I showed you guys was actually full brow coverage, but this one also gives you that coverage. But the bonus with this is that it also had luminosity to your skin and gives you that flawless, you know, no makeup summer look. So in terms of coverage, yes. In terms of the price, yes. In terms of the packaging, yes. And in terms of the finish, I would definitely recommend it. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the foundation so far. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.